All right, on this activity, it's systems of linear equation. Basically, a system is whenever you have two lines or more, and your main goal, that's it. Don't think about it. Every time that you see two equations together, you're going to ask yourself, where do they cross? That's simple. So if you go to Decimal's calculator, let's type in this first b right here, which is y equals 4x minus 9. And then you're going to type in the other one, y equals x minus 3. And as you can see here, we have two lines. They're crossing approximately right here. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. You found your answer. It is that simple, like I said, which is 1, -2. So let's go over and let's look for our answers, which is 1, -2, 4x minus. You know what? I put in right here a 6 instead of a 9. So that would change the answers a little bit. They're crossing right here at 2, -1. So we have our answer here, 2, -1. So what I do is I get this one and I'm just going to drag it right here. Again, it dragged it to the back. So I'm going to do that right there. Or you can just click on this and delete it. Whatever is easier for you. So what I'm going to do is really quick. I'm going to get all these and I'm just going to do something really quick. How come this one's not getting it? All right, that way we can just move it and then we're going to move it to the front right here. All right, so let's continue on this one right here on the bottom. So on this one on the bottom, I am going to get my decimals calculator, get rid of these ones that were the first one, and I'm going to type in y equals -5. And then I start typing in 5x plus 4y equals to -20. It gives them an exclamation mark, meaning, you need to solve for y. So the x and the y are on the left, y equals divide. -20, this is the number that I start off with, -20. Opposite of this number right here, positive 5x. So it becomes a -5x. And then on the bottom, I divide by the number in front of the y, which is a +4, +4. And there is my line. So automatically I can see where they cross. They cross around there, right there. So the answer is 0, -5. So I get my answer and I drag it right here. Let's go on to the bottom one, the next one. As you can see on this one, they're all going to be solving for y. So again, x and y on the left, y equals divide. 10, opposite of +4, -4x, divided by 2. And then the other one, again, same thing, y equals divide. 13, opposite of +x, -x, divided by the number in front of the y, which is a -1. So now they cross right here at this point, which is 6 and -7, which this one, ladies and gentlemen, it is the answer. Now let's go on to this next one right here. Let me see if I can move it a little bit. So from here, I am going to type this one out. Let's open up our decimals calculator, and then on this one, we are going to solve for y. So let me put it right here on this side. So I have x and y on the left, y equals divide. It's a +17, that's the number we're going to start off with. Opposite of +3x, -3x. Divide by the number in front of the y, which in this case, it's a -5. And then this one, it's y equals. We like it when it's like that because we can just type it out. And then click on where they cross, which is -6, -7. So I'm just going to go up here and look for -6, -7. I found it. So I'm just going to click and drag. And there we go. So now let's try this one right here. We're almost done. Again, that's what we told you. It was very important for you guys to learn how to solve for y because you're going to have a lot of these. So y equals divide, -22. Opposite of +6x, -6x, divide by the number in front of the y, which is a +8. And then you go to number 2, which is y equals -5. 5. So you just look where they cross, which is a 3, -5. Where is my 3, -5? It's right here. So I'm just going to click and drag. There you go. I put it in the front, or you can delete. And then we know that this one is 7, -1. I just want to make sure because I have found some boo-boos on these kind of activities before. So I'm just going to do this. Y equals divide. 0 minus x divided by +7. And this y equals divide 22 minus 2x divided by -8. And they cross right here, which is a 7, -1. So yes, it is correct. And that's it. That's how you do these kinds of problems, boys and girls. You guys are really good in solving for y and finding where they cross, so you shouldn't have any trouble with this activity here.